Right, we're going to do a very quick unboxing of this. The Hasselblad X2D Mark II. Came out the other day. Well, it came out a month or two ago, and I dithered on whether to buy it or not because it's a lot of money, and because I did the 24 hours, it sold out. It went very quickly. But I have also bought a 25mm Hasselblad XCD, I think it is, lens, 25mm and f2.5, and they kind of bill it as being ideal for night photography. So I do a lot of night photography and landscape, so that wide angle lens should be ace. But I'm only going to open up the camera box now. I'll save the lens for another time. So there's a little tab, I saw it earlier, there we go, open. And it's on, unless it's on the other side of the... Oh, it's lovely looking box, isn't it? Oh, it's part of the fun of these things. So I will tell you, I bought this direct from Hasselblad, DJI Hasselblad UK, the retail shop that they have in the UK. Dealt with a guy called Aidan Zhang, who I can highly recommend. He's they're one of their enterprise salespeople. And he obviously saw that I had this in my basket and contacted me, and I'm not going to say reached out, I hate that phrase, so he just simply contacted me, and we started chatting, and he helped me through the process. He's been very helpful. Oh, look at that. Look at the quality of that, man. So just pull it out. Wow. Wow. It's got this incredible sort of leather-like grip. Lovely feel to that. I have very large hands, and certainly with Sony cameras, I struggle to grip it. I can't get my hand between the lens, so that's a nice feel grip to it. And we won't go any further. There's no shutter in there. It's direct to the sensor. Not going to open that up because the actual shutters are within the lens, which is partly why the lenses are so expensive. So we'll see what else is in the box. So it's got, like a luxury watch, it's got a little magnetic flap. So Hasselblad is a Swedish company. It is actually owned by DJI now. So this is very, very good quality. Wow. So let's see what's in there. Open it carefully, don't want to tear anything. So we have serial numbers and safety guidelines. So it looks like instruction manual. So we'll look at that again later. Lift that flap up. See what's in there. It's quite heavy, whatever it is. I don't think you get many extras. So we've got a data cable, and we have a strap, and we have a UK plug on that. So the battery should be in there. I've no idea actually how to get the battery out, because this is the first time I've actually handled this camera. But there's not a flap for the battery case. The battery just sits directly into the camera housing. So it's probably that, I would imagine, to flick it out. Can you see the little button there? So we'll get it charged up, and then I can be going through setting it up. Okay. So it's got a lovely alloy, sort of aluminium, sort of slightly silvery, tungsten-y colour to it, so it's not black, it's a dark grey. I have bought, actually before we finish, some accessories. So I've got a protective cover for the screen at the back, large screen. So so it's called a DIPOS, and it's for the X1D Mark II 50C, and it fits this camera. Done my research. I have a UV filter to protect the lens. This actually is for the 35-100mm that I bought, and I decided after lots of research to go with Nizzy. It's a sort of luxury Chinese brand, and I looked at all the options and the price options. You know, you've got a great camera, so you do need to spend a bit of money on a quality one, and I decided to go with Nizzy. So that will, so it's a lovely brass, it's actually made from brass, but I've got the armour version for my 25mm. This is going on the 35-100, and I bought, after lots of research, a L plate, L bracket, and this is a Rigetti. Not sure if it's any good, but I wanted to be able to open the flap which the timer will go into, and not have to adjust the L bracket. So that is what I have. I've got a spare battery, and I have their rather beautiful timer that they button. They have lovely sort of orange metallic, like the trigger button there. So there we go. Going to get it charged up. Thank you for watching, and we'll do the lens next.